Hello students, in my previous video I explained about the dispersion of light and rainbow formation. In this video I would like to explain about the rainbow formation of rainbow. My dear students, a rainbow is a natural phenomenon of the dispersion of light, and it is I think that it is the most beautiful phenomenon among all. It appears as a colored arc in the sky after rain shower. When the sun shines, the tiny water droplets suspended. This is the zoom figure of a rain droplets. So tiny water droplets suspended in the air disperses the sun's rays into 7 constituent colors. It is always formed after the rain shower when the sun appears and in a direction opposite to the direction of the sun. The sunlight entering in the droplets first refract through this point into 7, and it splits into 7 constituent colors, because at the time of the refraction there is also the dispersion takes place, because the different colors, light of different colors refract with the different angles. So here 7 colors are split. Now at this point the refracted and dispersed colors are internally reflect. So you see that the droplet acts like not only the prism but also like a mirror. So there is a mirror effect at this surface, at this point, internally reflect, and from that side again there is refraction of the dispersed color. Then we see that 7 bands to this direction, 7 bands in which the red appears at the top and violet at the bottommost. Red appears at the top and that is violet at the bottommost. This phenomenon we can also see during the water fountain or water sprinklers or waterfalls. So when we stand in such a position, that light coming from the opposite side, and then tiny water droplets formed by the water fountain or water sprinkler or waterfalls, they act as same as the tiny water droplets suspended in the air after rain shower. So I think that it might be clear about the refraction, dispersion and internal reflection, that is mirroring effect, and then again refraction through this side when the ray of light, when the dispersed colors are emerged from droplets into the air, and this gives the appearance of 7 band of arc in this side, and this is the sun's position. So you see that formation of rainbow in the sky is to this direction while the sun is to this side. So always the rainbow formed opposite to the direction of the sun. Thank you.